The Chris Farrell membership program is one of the more credible programs out there because of the owner, Chris Farrell. He stands behind his product and he's actively involved in improving upon it. And it's a comprehensive and a realistic 21-day training program that breaks down many of the basic steps that you need to take to start making money at home. And it's a very well done program for newbies without any of the over-the-top, expectations that many of their websites try to push. Farrell makes it clear that you're going to have to put in time with your websites every day to be able to generate the income you want. And I can appreciate that honesty, as it is lacking by many of the self-proclaimed get-rich-quick gurus out there. And overall, it's one of the better programs out there when it comes to successfully establishing an online income stream. Commit yourself to the course, and I can guarantee that you're going to open up a whole new chapter in your life. Click the link below to download Chris Farrell's free video course, How to Make Money Online. We'll see you on the other side.